In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type @ symbol on computer keyboard shortcut. The @ symbol, often called the @ sign, is used in email addresses and many online usernames, so knowing how to type it quickly is essential. The exact keys you press depend on your keyboard's regional layout. But once you know where it lives on your keyboard, it becomes second nature. If you are using a US or international keyboard layout on a Windows laptop or desktop, the @ is on the same key as the number 2. Place one finger on the Shift key and hold it down. Then press the 2 key on the number row at the top of your keyboard. Release both keys and you should see the @ symbol appear. If your keyboard is set to the UK layout, the @ symbol is not on the 2 key. Instead, it shares the key with the single quote or apostrophe. Hold down the Shift key, then press the apostrophe key. Typically found to the right of the semicolon and just to the left of the Enter key on most keyboards. Let go, and the @ symbol should appear on UK layouts. The double quote character is on Shift+2, which is the opposite of the US layout. If you press Shift and 2 and see a double quote instead of @, that's a strong sign you are on the UK layout. So use Shift+apostrophe for the @ sign. On Apple Mac laptops using the standard US or international layout. The shortcut is the same as on Windows. Hold Shift, then press the 2 key on the top number row. Look for the @ symbol printed above the 2 as a guide. This works in any text field across macOS, from your browser to your email client. If the symbol isn't appearing as expected, double-check your keyboard layout in your system's language or input settings. Sometimes the computer is set to a different layout than the one physically printed on your keys. To build the habit, try typing the @ symbol a few times in a blank document until it feels comfortable. That's it. Thanks for watching.